All right, so this problem might have gotten many of us confused. So this is where we need to start working with the same denominators to make life easier for us. So the first common denominator I could probably get between a 4 and a 10 is 20. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to convert. Let me rewrite the whole problem here so we could see it better. I've got 3/4 plus -3/10 minus -3. Okay, so let's work from left to right. Order of operations says we can add and subtract from left to right. So whatever comes first. In this case, we're adding this positive 3/4 plus a -3/10. So let's give these the same denominator. The way I could do that is get these both to have a denominator of 20. So I'm going to multiply times 5 and multiply times 5. That's going to get me the value of 15/20. And I'm still going to add this negative fraction to it. So the way I can get this denominator to be 20 is multiplying by 2. So I'm going to get -6/20. So I can actually combine this already and then go ahead and deal with the rest of it. I'm going to bring this down just for the sake of keeping things in order and not forgetting to do that later. But 15 plus -6/20, these, it's not going to get more positive. It's going to get less positive because we're adding negatives. It's going to move in the negative direction. So if I'm at a positive 15 and I move 6 spaces to the left, that's like a 15 minus a 6. So that would leave me with 9/20. And now I have to deal with this minus a -3. And this is a whole number. This is not a whole number. This is a whole number. Remember, when something gets less negative, we're not adding a negative. It is not getting more negative. It is not moving in the negative direction. It's getting less negative. If it gets less negative, that means it's getting more positive. Subtracting a negative is the same as adding a positive. So we've got 9/20 plus 3. That's just going to be 3 and 9/20. And your fraction 9/20 is fully simplified, so you can leave it just like that.